Number 17, we're asked to find consecutive integers between which we're going to find real zeros of this function. So f of x equals 3x cubed minus 6x squared minus 2x plus 2. And we're asked to look on the interval from -2 to 4. So we're looking for zeros, real zeros of this function. So the real zeros are going to be where the function crosses the x-axis. And we're going to know that it crosses the x-axis using the intermediate value theorem. Because if it goes from negative to positive or from positive to negative, we know that somewhere in between it had to be 0. So let's start off by plugging in. We're going to plug in all the integer values from -2 to 4. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and we just plug those in. So -2 cubed is -8 times 3 is going to be -24. -2 squared is +4 times -6 is -24. -2 times -2 is +4. And then plus 2. So that's -48 plus 6 is going to give us -42 here. All right, now -1. -1 cubed is -1 times 3 is -3. Minus 6 times 1, because -1 squared is +1, so this is -6. And then -1 times -2 is +2, and then plus 2. So that's going to be -9 plus 4 is -5. All right, 0, we're going to get 0 minus 0 minus 0 plus 2. So this is a +2. So we know that our first 0 is going to be between -1 and 0 because we went from negative to positive for the function values. All right, let's keep going though. See if we can find more. So 1 cubed is 1 times 3 is 3. -6 minus 2 plus 2. That's going to give us -3. So notice that we jumped right back down to negative. We got up to positive and then we went back to negative. Now let's try 2. 2 cubed is 8 times 3 is 24. 2 squared is 4 times -6 is -24. -4 plus 2. So that's going to be 0 minus 4 plus 2 is going to give us -2. Now 3. 3 cubed is 27 times 3 is 81. Minus 6 times 9 is 54. -2 times 3 is -6 plus 2. So 81 minus 54 is going to be 27. Minus 6 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. So again, we went from negative to positive. And then 4, I'm not going to do 4, but can we agree that it's going to be positive? Because this number is going to be a big positive number. 4 cubed is 64 times 3 is 100, and what would that be? 180 plus 12, 192. 4 squared is 16 times 6 would be, would that be 96? Minus 8 plus 2. So we can see that this is going to be a positive number because that 192 isn't going to get subtracted down to 0. So this is positive, whatever it is. So, so we know that our changes happened from here to here. We went from negative to positive. From here to here, we went positive to negative. And then from here to here, we went negative to positive again. So our 3 zeros are going to be between -1 and 0, between 0 and 1, and between 2 and 3. So those are x values. So between x equals -1 and x equals 0, we cross the x-axis. It happened again between 0 and 1, and it's going to happen again between x equals 2 and x equals 3.